So this is a Ulanzi MT-30 smartphone tripod kit. Unboxing and a short review. This is your Bluetooth capture button, so you can shoot and you can start your filming from this button instead of just going on the camera. This is your ball direction, which goes 360. Have your cold shoe over here that you can put a light or a mic, doesn't matter. And you have on top, same thing, it's a cold shoe that you can put a mic or anything else. And for the cell phone, you just have to unscrew this. It has a spring inside, so you just pull it, put your phone in the middle, then you leave it back and just tighten it so it doesn't move. So that's it about this tripod, which is pretty good. This is rubber extensions at the bottom. This is aluminum. Same thing for this. It's aluminum. This is plastic and this is aluminum, the ball. So there you go for your Ulanzi MT-30 tripod.